bende seche niweka mingi sijawini.
Team Kenya matugo tuke mag okapu kidieny mar yawuoyi Morans timo rako e alap manyayo National Stadium motelo ne tuke mag FIBA Africom mabiro bagi e piny ma Tunisia. Kano wuoyo gi jofwambo, kocha maduong' Cliff Owuor olero ni jotugo osebedo ka timo rako makare ka jotugo achiel kende matugo e pinje ma oko emoseriwore gi jotugo mapacho kaendi. Tukego itimore kind tarik 23 gi tarik 25 dweni. Morans biro rakore gi jobag tukego Tunisia, Angola kachiel gi tim mar Guinea bende.
The mood is good. We are training hard. We are trying to push through because we know we have a hard pool. We play Tunisia the first game, so we're trying to build something for Tunisia. And I think the boys are ready, and they're doing all they can do. They're training hard. We train morning and evening, so hopefully we get it together. And by the time the tournament starts, we're going to be ready.
So far, our preparations have been going so well. The players are responding well. The only issue we still have is the internationals. We only have Desmond who has arrived so far, but we're expecting to link up with the 3 of our internationals back in